Hello, good morning. All of you are fine, I think. Till now we discussed about the two chapters. First one is Formulae, chapter number 15, and second one is what? Statistics, chapter number 14. Okay, I think the doubts on that two chapters, those two chapters, all clear, no doubts. Today I come with a new chapters. It's so interesting, so useful in our day-to-day life. We are using everywhere, though whatever we are a student or we are a teacher or we are a householder. Everywhere we are using these things directly or indirectly. Okay, let's see the name of the chapters. The name of the chapters is what? Surface area and volumes. Chapter number 13 of class 9. Chapter number 13, surface area and volumes. In this topics today I'll discuss about two things. All are things are three-dimensional things. The two things, what are the things? One is cuboid, another is cube. Cuboid is what? This type of shapes are called cuboid. This type of shapes are called cuboid. Okay. How many surface rectangles? One. Same type of rectangle, say. So 2. Here is one rectangle. 3. Same type opposite we will get another one. 4. Here is one rectangle. Same types another rectangle of its opposite is. How many rectangles are there? 4 rectangles are there. The shape is bounded by 4 rectangles and each rectangles are called the surface of this cuboid. This is known as cuboid. Okay. So how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. And the line joining two faces is called the edges of this cuboid. Edge of the cuboid. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many total edges are there? 12. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners are there. Now this is called cuboid. This type of 3 dimensions are called cuboid. Why this 3 dimension? In case, what is the difference between 2 dimensions? In 2 dimensions only length and breadth are there. Okay. But here what are the things? This is the length, this is the breadth, this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is known as height. This is called height. Okay. This is length, this is breadth, and this is called height. We can take the example of the room. This room. The room is a cuboid shape. The room is a cuboid shape. Here, how many walls are there? 4 walls, 1 floor, and 1 sling. Okay. So total 6 rectangles are there. So this room we can take the examples of what? Cuboid. If we see the line joining the faces or surfaces is known as the edge. How many edges are there? 12 edges are there. How many corners are there? 8 corners are there. So this physical concept also should be clear to us before going to depth of this sector. Okay. So this is known as cuboid. Now, if the length, breadth, and height are same in a cuboid, that cuboid is called cube. That cuboid is called cube. So what we can say, each and every cube are cuboid, but all cuboid may not be a cube. If the length, breadth, and height, this length, this breadth and height all are same, this type of shapes are called cube. We can take the example of die, a Ludo die. Ludo die is the shape of cube. Okay. A matchbox is the shape of what? A matchbox is the shape of cuboid. A book is a 3 dimension. A book. This book is what? What is the shape of this book? Shape of this book is cuboid. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles are there. Okay. Now, what is surface area? These two words are there. Surface area. Surface area means what? the rectangles cover how much surface covered, that is called the surface area of the rectangles. Now what are the surface area of this cuboid? How to find out? This is one rectangle, area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle. So 6 rectangles are there. What is the area of rectangle? If this is the rectangle, it's cuboid. See the cuboid. Area of rectangle, if this is the length and this is the length, this is the breadth. What will be the area of rectangle? L into B. So L into B. So what will be the total area of a cuboid? This cuboid, this is L, this is B, this is height. Okay, this is L, this is B, this is height. See the example. This is L, this is B, this is H. Okay, so what is the area of this? Area of this? This is L, this is B, LB. This is also LB. How many LB? 2 LB. Okay, how many LB? 2 LB. This is B, this is H. What is the area of this rectangle? B into H. How many BH? 2 BH. Okay, and this is L, this is H. So what is the area of this rectangle? L into H. So same types, another was there of the opposite side. So how many HL or LH? 2 LH. So what will be the total surface area of the cuboid? The total surface area of the cuboid, total surface area of cuboid is equal to what? 2 LB plus 2 BH plus 2 HL. We can take 2 common, LB plus BH plus HL. So you have to remember this one, 2 into LB plus BH into HL. This is the total surface area. Then another thing is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. What is called lateral surface? Just the area of the boundary. Area of the boundary of the cuboid. We can take the example of this room. Area of 4 walls. That is called lateral surface area of the room. Area of 4 walls. Okay. If this is the room, area of 4 walls, this and this we have to remove. So what is the area of this one? This is L, this is H. So LH, 2 LH, and this is B, this is H, 2 BH. So what we can take? 2 LH plus 2 BH. So 2 into L plus B into H. 2 into L plus B into H. This is the lateral surface area. Okay? Clear? And one more thing, volume. What is the volume? Volume of cuboid is length, breadth into height. Length, breadth into height. Or this can be written as area of the base. Area of the base. That is, if you take LB, area of the base into height, we can say in this way also, area of the base into height. And volume, what do you mean by volume? Volume is nothing but what? Volume of this cuboid, we are making the water tank top of our what? Building, like a cuboid or cube. The capacity of that tank, how much the things it can take. Capacity is nothing but what? Volume. So when we ask to find out the capacity, then it is volume. And when it is asked what is the surface area, we have to find out the area of. Okay, if nothing is, just area is asking, means total surface area. If 4 walls related, that is lateral surface area. So according to questions we have to move. Volume of the cuboid is LBH, length into breadth into height, or you can say area of the base into height. And one more things, the diagonal of the cuboid? What is the diagonal of the cuboid? Root over L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of the cuboid is root over L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, this is the diagonal of the cuboid. That means if a question is asking, this is a room, in this room, what can the maximum length of a pipe which can be stored in that room? That we have to find out the diagonal. That time diagonal means of one corner to the next opposite corner of that room. One corner to the next opposite corner of that room, and that formula is root over L square plus B square plus H square. You can find out with the help of this the diagonal. So you have to keep in mind these things to solve the problems. Okay, this is the cuboid. Next, see the cube. For cube, in case of cube, what? L is equal to P is equal to H. All things are same. All are same, length, breadth and height. So total surface area same formula, but here you have to take all is as length. So if we put there 2 into L into L plus L into L plus L into L, so what will get? 2 into 3L square, that is 6L square. So what is the total surface area? 6L square. Or L is the length of the cube. L is the length of the edge of cube. And lateral surface area? That is 2 into L plus L into L. 2L into L, 4L square. Lateral surface area is 4L square. And volume, what is volume? L into L into L, that is L cube. And diagonal, what? Root over L square plus L square plus L square. So what you can say? Root 3L. Root 3L. Where L is the length of each edge of cube, and R is the length of the cuboid, L, breadth is B, and H is the height. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind. These are the formula related to cube and cuboid for surface area and volumes. Let us see some questions. So this formula you have to keep in mind. See some formula, some questions related to this formulae. So here we can remember this one is total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Lateral surface area is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Volume is equal to LBH. And what? Diagonal root over L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, here total surface area is equal to what? 6L square. Lateral surface area is equal to 4L square. Volume is equal to L cube. Diagonal is equal to root 3L. Okay, now let us see the question. Or these things you can have to remember these things. This will be so important for solve the questions exercise 13.1. So in the next class we will discuss about the question exercise 13.1. Thank you. Have a nice day.